Hi, I'm Palak and I'm a nude model. I am 26 years old. I originally belong from UP and it is a nightmare to be a model over there.
At a very early age, I lost my father and my mother got married to a man even younger than me.
और उसी वक्त से मुझे ये पता था कि मुझे जो करना है वो मुझे करना ही है. जो मेरा पैशन है उसको मुझे फॉलो करना ही करना है. इंडिपेंडेंट होना है. दैट इज़ लिव अप टू माई ओन एक्सपेक्टेशंस. See, I like nude modeling, but people don't respect it. यूपी की फैमिलीज़ में वो अपनी बहू को इस रोल में नहीं देखना चाहते.
Nude modeling gives you the real experience of the world, how the world behaves with you. It also gives you the confidence that you never thought you had.
My usual day is very typical. I make myself some coffee, I get my daughter ready for school, send my husband to work, and then just focus on my fitness. 1 hour of cardio keeps me fit. In my profession, I'm nobody if I'm not fit. Yes, I have to deal with many pressures. It's stressful to keep up your looks. One day, a man came to me and offered me, he wanted me to be a model for his makeup contest. To pose for his makeup contest was the beginning of my modeling career. Once I did that makeup contest, I got to realize that this is my field of passion, this is my field of interest. So I have left my corporate world, and after that I joined some shoots and all, and then I got to know about a pageant. I had appeared in that pageant and I won the second runner-up prize. When I realized that I love to do modeling, I decided to speak the word with my husband that should I leave my corporate world and come to in this modeling area for the full time. Unlike any UP family, my husband is very supportive and my extended family is also very supportive. They have encouraged me to do this. After a while, I realized that I needed to earn more money, so I started accepting bikini shoots also. Once I have started this bikini shoot, it is very obvious that in UP this is very big deal to do bikini shoots for any extended family. So I was little embarrassed to disclose this thing to them, and only my husband knew this thing. It was very big deal for me कि जितना मैं अपने कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में 1 महीने में कमाती थी, बिकिनी शूट में मैं 1 दिन में ही वो अर्न कर लेती थी. Once I started doing bikini shoots, I started getting many more offers of bikini shoots and nude shoots. Lot of them were nude shoots, and I realized that nude shoots had much more money than bikini shoots. I noticed that women are exploited in the industry. I too have had some bad experiences. Even photographers are very disrespectful.
When it comes to nude modeling, I would say it's a very respectful profession and it requires a lot of confidence and strength from the model to come forward and pose nude. A bad photographer can even make a fully clothed model uncomfortable in front of the camera, whereas a good photographer can ensure that the model is very comfortable even if she's posing nude.
Yes, I have modeled for some big brands, but I'm very choosy about my work. I never accept any gigs that can be published in mainstream media. This is also because I don't want my in-laws to ever be embarrassed because of me only. Yeah, many condom brands have approached me to be on their cover page. The money they offer is unbelievable. Sometimes I feel, yes, I like picking it, but I know the results can be harsh. I also am worried about being recognized in public as a nude model. My husband has to come with me for many shoots. I even take my friends sometimes because safety is a big problem in my profession. I don't even allow phones on a photo shoot. I know with age I will not be able to do this because it's all about my body. It gets difficult to accept aging. But well, what can one do?
मैं शायद बहुत चुपचाप रहने वाली डरपोक लड़की होती अगर मुझे ये एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मिला होता.
I only hope that people will be more accepting of nude models because it is an art form. They don't see the beauty in it. They only see lust.